Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome to the Netrunner channel. My name's Jamie, welcome in, and today we're going to be talking about what I consider to be the biggest cardinal sin of streamers, no matter what platform you're on, no matter how long you've been doing it. Today, I want to talk about how you think about streaming. This is a conversation I've been having with my community on my stream for years now. For those that don't know, I have a background in music. I studied at university, I've played in bands, I've done tours, things like that. And so my performance background comes from a different place than a lot of people who broadcast nowadays. But what I wanted to come forward and say, I wanted to take time to put this information out there in a more permanent way on YouTube where people can find it and hopefully learn from mistakes that I've made and other broadcasters are making every single day. Streaming is thought about by most people as a place to play video games and hang out with people. I get to play video games and I get to chat to other people. What more can I possibly want? There's a better way to consider live streaming. If you guys are just maybe getting started as live streamers, maybe you've been streaming for 2 years, maybe you're a big live streamer and you make me look tiny. I am currently in a complete rebuild of my channel and I'm having to start from the bottom up and reteach myself some of these lessons that I've learned the hard way over my 3.5 years of broadcasting and being a full-time content creator. I still make this mistake. And it's making sure that every single day I remind myself that streaming is not about the video game. It's not even just talking to the chat. Live streaming, being a streamer, is about being an entertainer. Live streaming is, and I'll say this probably many times in this video, live streaming is an art form. Whether you agree with that or not, by definition it is an art form. Much like being a musician, being an author, being a painter, these are all arts. A filmmaker, okay, these are all incredible comparisons. Looking at my background in musicianship, some people get into playing music because they want to be a rock star. Other people do it because they want to learn to play the guitar or the drums or whatever, and it just intrigues them as a hobby. Some people are just struck by that bug. I truly and deeply believe that live streaming is the exact same way. Live streaming, people are getting into for the wrong reasons every day. And people always talk about, don't get into it for the money, don't do it. And the idea is, it's not about the money. Take that aside. It's not about being popular. Take that aside. Live streaming is about entertaining people. No matter what your motivation is, that's your job as a broadcaster. Whether you're doing it for fun as a hobby or not. If you just want to play video games or become a professional video gamer. It doesn't matter what you want to do while live streaming. It's never about necessarily what you're doing, but how you're doing it. Live streaming is a passion that needs to drive you. You'll go through high points and you'll go through low points. I have gone through many and I've made many of these mistakes and I still make them today. And I watch my streams after I've done them and I sit to myself and I go, I didn't go in there with the right mindset. I didn't do the right thing. So I'm making this video to communicate to you guys in the best way possible, to tell you guys, please start approaching live streaming from a different direction. Start considering yourself an artist. Start thinking about your stream in a more creative way. Allow your brain to work and wire differently. There are so many incredible things you can do while being a live streamer, despite if you want to play video games, if you want to go live streaming your travels around the world, live stream cooking, making beer. I've seen people do all sorts, make robotics. I've gotten to know so many incredible broadcasters, but they never do themselves justice because they don't think of themselves as artists when they make. They don't give themselves the creative freedom that other artistic avenues do. When you turn your live stream on, remember that your main focus is to put on a show. And no matter what way you want to do that, you're there live streaming, broadcasting to people because you want to connect with them. You want to send a message. You want to create something that will make somebody feel something. That is art. That's being a filmmaker. That's being a musician. That's being an author. You guys are capable of doing so many incredible things. Don't pigeonhole yourself into, I'm gonna play video games and talk to my chat. I'm not saying don't do that. I'm saying go about it differently. Rewire your brain. Consider it an art form. See where your brain takes you. See what kind of magic you can create, knowing that your job while on camera is to make people smile, feel emotion, feel connected. People watch live streams for so many different reasons. But the real number one reason that live streams are so amazing is because we can connect with each other on a human level across the entire planet. So use that to your advantage. The next time you live stream, keep that in the back of your head. The next time you're sitting at your computer or on your phone on the toilet, we all know you do it. Don't deny it. I know you do. I do it all the time. My wife won't touch my phone because I take it into the bathroom. Think about how you can be a better live streamer. How can you create better art? How can you innovate? How can you make the people on the other side of the screen feel connected, feel embraced, feel emotion? Take them out of their world. Take them out of what the stress of the workaday life has done, whatever's going on in their life, whether it's a good day or a bad day, and just do what a movie does. When you sit down and watch a film, when you sit down and put your headphones on and listen to music or read a book, it's escapism. That's what you're creating in a live way, in a more human, interactive way where you can impact someone in real time. You're an artist. If you're live streaming, you're already an artist. You just didn't realize it. All I'm saying is take the training wheels off, let the brain flow free, man, and create something truly beautiful that'll make an impact to your viewers. I promise you it will change how you stream. If you allow yourself to be a creative individual, thinking about what you do will impact the people that are watching you. Considering yourself truly free as a creative human being, the stuff you'll make is amazing. And I'm not preaching to you from this high horse or whatever. I've been a full-time live streamer for 3 years. I have made so many mistakes. And a lot of them I'm gonna go through this channel and tell you what not to do and the best direction I've found to make myself better at what I do and provide a service to the people that watch me on stream. And I'm learning this now, serving you guys, trying to pass a little bit of the knowledge I've made. I've been full-time in this. I have been doing this. I make a living doing this. I've just rebranded and I'm having to grow entirely again. I'm having to relearn the lessons that I'm teaching you right now. All I'm saying is just try it. Next time you turn on your stream, change your perspective on it. Become a showman. Show them that you are there to entertain them, that you have a right to be a part of their lives because they're giving you their time. Whether you're live for an hour, 2 hours, 10 hours, that's their life. That is the currency that you never get back. Earn it. Take the time to make sure that whatever you're providing people is giving them that escapism. It's giving them the laughs, the enjoyment. Maybe it's emotional. Maybe you do a deeper stream. Maybe you decide to be one of the first streamers ever to make a truly deep emotional stream and make people feel emotion. Maybe they cry while they watch you. That happens with film all the time. People go watch sad movies. They go watch horror movies, scare people, whatever it is you want to do. But be creative with it. Be innovative with it. Be an artist. Because no matter what you think, no matter what you choose to do, if you're a live streamer, you're an artist. Take this new wave of media forward. Show the world what's possible with this. I'm so excited to see what you guys are creating. You guys inspire me. I go around watching new live streamers all the time, and it always surprises me what people are doing. But the one thing they just need to change is their perspective. I hope this helps you set a different mindset, open yourself up a little bit, and remember that you have every right to be called an artist than anyone else. Show them what you're capable of. Show them that live streaming deserves to be considered an art, because that's what it is, and change some lives. Guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you liked what you're listening to, if you appreciated hearing a little bit of my wisdom that I've learned through live streaming and the mistakes that I make, I'll be doing a lot more of these videos on this channel, just delving into things that I've learned, mistakes that I've made, and things that as I'm talking to you guys, I'm talking to myself as well. I'm only human, we all forget these things. If you need to rewatch it, whatever you guys need to do, just allow yourselves a way to think differently. Whether you agree with my statements or not, I promise you, taking this on board can only make you better. Even if you don't agree with it, having that perspective and knowing the knowledge of that will allow you to be better. And that's all I want, is to see live streaming as an art form, as a platform, become bigger and better than so many other people thought possible. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, click that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna be uploading another video this week. I'm so excited about creating videos here. And if you wanna come check out my live stream, I'm currently rebuilding everything I've ever done. It would mean the world to me if you come check out the live stream. Twitch.tv/netrunner. I stream Wednesday to Sunday, starting at 7 AM Eastern, 12 PM UK. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Man, by the way, I look rough. This is what COVID does to you guys. I shaved my beard off after I got married in January, and this is it regrowing back in, and I've just not been able to go to a barber and get it trimmed. God, I am getting husky. I'm looking like a homeless guy living under my wife's house. That's what I look like.